Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title of the video, I'm finally doing this video. I don't know why I always forget that you guys have requested my brow routine, I guess. I first and foremost want to say I am no expert in brows. I'll say that. I miss going to my brow lady and getting my brows threaded, but I have fallen in love with a couple of items and a certain way that I do my brows. To be honest, in my everyday life, I don't really do my brows, maybe a little brow gel, but like that's it. But I'm going to show you that in the video. As always, if you're new around here, welcome. My name is Jackie. I'm so glad that you're here. If you like the vibe, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video, or as often as you'd like to be reminded about my videos. My videos are here for whenever you want to come back and watch me, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I zoomed you in just a tiny bit. Before we get into it, I'm sorry for the way that I sound. My nose is like super dry. Definitely think I have a nose issue. I've mentioned it before. I'm sorry. I'm sorry from now until forever. I have my tea on the side to see if it helps me out, but I feel like I sound sick and I'm not sick. But anyway, you guys, let's get into this. So on this side, I'm going to be doing the brow pencil with the brow gel, and then on this side, I'm just going to be doing the gel, and then in the end, I'll come back and I will show you a full face of makeup with my brows done. So the first thing that is important to my little routine is one of these brow spoolies, brushes. I don't know, I feel like this is a brush, this is a spoolie. I prefer this one. I feel like it grips the hairs better. It's like so old. But the brush one works obviously just fine. As for the brow pencils that I've been using, my favorite one, because I love how easily it glides on, has been the Rare Beauty Brow Harmony in Deep Brown. So this side is a pencil and this side is brow gel. Some people don't like this one because it is a little thicker, but I think it depends on the pressure you're putting and how you're holding it. So you can't tell through the camera, but it's like a teardrop shape. So if you just want the lighter, thinner strokes, you just flip it to that side. And then if you want the thicker, you flip it to the other side. But I don't know, maybe that's just in my head. And then the other one that I use is the MAC Eyebrows Crayon in the shade Spiked. This one does look different now, I'm pretty sure. I had this one like for a really long time, and I opened it barely like this year, and it's super thin. It's like, I don't know, like you're barely doing anything kind of thing, and I like that because, as I mentioned, I don't love doing my brows. So we're gonna go in with the Spiked pencil just because of that Rare Beauty one. That's all I had in that little black dot that you guys could see. So I just kind of go in, brush my hairs, and to be honest, I feel like this was way better. This would have been way better when I used to get my brows threaded. I miss my lady so much, but I just have to make do because we don't go out and like get our haircuts or brows done or anything like that since COVID. So I like to start up here sometimes. To be honest, I don't have like, there's no rhyme or reason. I'm not even gonna lie. And I'm sorry if you're expecting like super, I don't know how to say it, like tutorial. I just kind of strokes, and I'm going in very lightly. Like, I don't even know if you guys could tell what's what's happening, but I'm going in very lightly. And then as I'm applying, I'll brush through just to like soften it even more. And then at the front here, I just kind of try to make like a little straight line and kind of fade it into where the thickness of the hair starts growing, I should say. And then I just kind of fill in any little spots that I fill. I try not to go too heavy-handed right off the bat, just because sometimes if I'm using a brow gel that has tint, it could look like a lot, and I honestly just don't like it. But I just go back and forth and kind of like fill it in till I like it. I will say I don't like super fill it in. I don't like that solid look on myself. If you like that look, there's probably like a million tutorials out there on how to do it. It's just not my favorite thing on my face. So that's pretty much it. If I need to go back, I do it after I apply whatever brow gel I'm gonna apply. My hairs get pretty dark once I start applying the brow gel, so I just use this little spoolie. I didn't buy the one that Anastasia made. It looks just like this one. I already had this one, so I just use this one, and I just go in here and I literally just grab a little bit, and then sorry and then I just brush it through. And there's times that I have to go in here and like be here for 5 minutes because my brows don't work with me, especially this brow, to be honest. But I just kind of look in my mirror and hopefully it looks fine through the camera, through the lens. And then if I need to go back and do something, I will, but usually that's it. I feel like silly making this video because yeah, I don't that's it. I'm sorry you guys, I got cut off. I feel like this is the story of my life now. I don't know why. It used to always cut off like at a certain time, and now it goes a little bit longer. I don't know. Anyway, so the next brow I'm going to do with brow gel, and I'm going to show you this other brow gel that I've been liking a lot. It is the iMethod Beauty Grooming and Voluminizing Brow Gel. I believe this is the shade 01 Brown. I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, I'll let you know here on the screen, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. iMethod Beauty reached out to me and they sent this to me, and at first I was kind of like skeptical because it is like 13 bucks. You can find it on Amazon. That's where they sent it to me from. It is a soft tinted brow gel. I don't know what the description that they have is, but I'm just saying it is, it does have a tint, but it's very soft. And so I do the same thing. I just kind of go in with my spoolie, and then it has just like your regular old brow spoolie, brow gel spoolie, and I just come in here, and I will say in the tube it looks a little bit, I don't know, reddish. So that's basically it. I just kind of like use both my little spoolie, my little brow gel wand, and then when I use the brow freeze, it's just this one. That's the only difference. But if I feel the need to and I want a little bit more tint, I will go in there and focus it on certain areas, but very rare. Very rarely do I do that. And that is pretty much it. I mean, I'll zoom you in a tiny bit, and then from there I will be back with a full face of makeup to show you what it looks like with a full face of makeup. Okay guys, so this is just brow gel and pencil. We all have our preferences, but honestly neither one bothers me. I like both. I don't think I need to like super fill in my brows all the time. Again, I just don't love the look on me, but that is it. So I will be back with a full face of makeup. Okay guys, so I am back and the brows are filled. If you watch Manny, you know he says it all the time. But I'm back with a full face of makeup. My brows are done, and this is what I look like, just like all my other pictures with my brows done. But yeah, if you have any other questions, let me know down below. I mean, I feel like I showed you guys what I used. I showed you how I do it. I feel silly because I feel like brows are one of those things that it's like personal to everybody. Like if you like it dark or if you like it light, if you like that laminated look, I don't know. But you guys asked me for my little routine and that was it. If there's anything else you guys want to see from me, let me know down below. Any new products that you've tried that you're like, or that you want to try, I should say, and you're not sure, let me know and maybe I'll purchase and like do a little review for you. I don't know. I miss doing videos. I just don't know what to do anymore. Like, sometimes I just want to sit here and do makeup and talk, but like, about what? You know what I mean? Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for being here today, and I will see you guys in my next one. Adios!